Hello everybody, I'm back. Yay! For another video on Fridays. Yay! I'm vlogging. Yay! I feel kind of shy because I'm in front of the store. Yay! Okay. Now what today? I'm in the store. Can you guess what store it is? I don't care. I'm just gonna upload that. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. And that's my brother. You guessed it. It's Walmart. Okay. Comment in the area below what's your favorite store. Whatever. If you watch my lousy videos. I don't think it's worth it. Stop doing that. Okay, now I feel really shy. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm really staring at my face. Am I? It's reflecting really good. I don't think so. It's Christmas. Why did I say that again? I said that when I was 8. Now I'm saying it again. You're wondering why I'm smiling. It's because I'm really, really freaking shy. Oh my god. So it's Christmas. I said it again. Oh that's my brother again. Oh my god. And there's a lot of candies around me. Oh my god. Burger dish candies. Next video I might wear a morph suit here.
¿Qué más vas a ver?
También quiero ir a verlos todos.
Yep, this is a video. Earthquake. It's an earthquake vlog. You know, I should do that in every vlog. Don't look at me. Oh my. A beep. Beeps everywhere. I'm really shy in this one. Oh look. Temple Run. The logo board game. Oh what? Oh my god. Oh, this is perfect. Temple Run for board game. Oh my god. This is totally going on YouTube. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's really perfect. 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 Nah, I don't want to say that. I wish I haven't showed that. Nah, I'm not gonna erase that. I just started. Like 3 minutes and 38 seconds. 40, 41, 42. Nah, doesn't matter. So we're in the store vlogging right now. Yeah, this is my video for Friday. It's like 10 and like. Wait, let me check the time.
What's this button do? Here's how.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Walmart.
For a reason. To get great values.
Yeah, it's been 4 minutes.
Is one of those great values.
It's like 11 in the morning, I guess. Well, actually 9. It's like 11 in the night, I guess. 11 p.m. Well, no, this vlog can't be over yet. It has to have something exciting. Well, actually, this is... Look, Madagascar 3. Doesn't really matter that.
In surround sound and beautiful HD.
Walmart clips. Oh, where are they? I feel like playing Monopoly right now. Ah, here. I feel like playing Monopoly right now. No, not that beep again. Beep 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 beep. Yeah. Oh my god, I wish I haven't showed that either. Earthquake. Yeah, okay. Look at all those phones.
Look at this.
Look at this hunk of junk. Oh man.
And look.
No, I'm not gonna show that. Look, the Amazing Spider-Man. Oh. Oh, a toy. Nah, that movie is not cool. Oh, Spider-Man. Hey, Spider-Man. Oh, why am I not in my funny mood?
You're right.
Oh no, I don't want to show that. It's gonna scare everyone. I'm sorry I scared you. Or maybe I didn't. It's been like 6 minutes. Well, I think that's it for the vlog.
I'm gonna thrill you night. With goosebumps on my arms.
Well, I think that's it for the vlog. Goodbye. Goodbye. Remember to subscribe in the subscription below. What?
McDonald's.
And earthquake vlog out. Bye.